High spenders have the advantage of being able to purchase every hero and create any formation they desire. However, if you're not among them, this guide can help you optimize your primary formation without overspending. It's about playing smart instead of wasting money. Welcome back to the Meta Instinct channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to optimize your primary formation effectively. Faction bonus. When selecting heroes, our first consideration is the faction bonus. Picking 3 heroes from the same faction will unlock the first faction bonus at 115%. However, this is not a strict requirement, as we also need to consider other factors, such as the hero's quality and accessibility, which we will discuss later. We aim to include at least 3 heroes from the same faction in our battle formation. For the gathering trucks, this is less critical since we do not plan to use them in combat. For instance, our primary formation consists of fighters, while the second comprises shooters. The third and fourth formations are primarily for gathering since we lack enough troops and heroes to create an additional battle formation. In this case, hero selection is based on gathering rather than faction bonuses. Quality. Hero quality is crucial in Dark War survival. Among the available options, Orange Heroes is the top choice. For example, a 2-star orange hero like Corleone has better attributes than a 4-star purple hero like Cecilia. Attributes significantly affect battle performance. Higher attack values increase damage output, while higher defense values enhance troop survivability. Therefore, including as many orange heroes as possible in the battle formation is essential to maximize our overall attributes. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Combo. We have 3 hero factions: Fighter, Rider, and Shooter. Many players prefer to focus on building their main faction in Fighter due to its better accessibility and lower costs. The first orange hero players can acquire for free through gameplay is Guy, who is part of the Fighter faction. Additionally, he can be recruited, which is impossible with other orange heroes. Next, we have Catherine and Rex, the second orange fighters, available for purchase at a reasonable price through VIP bundles. Even though it requires money, the cost is nearly half that of other orange heroes. For example, you can obtain 180 fragments of Catherine and Rex for $50, which equates to about 28 cents per fragment. In contrast, buying Corleone from daily sales costs about 50 cents per fragment. Furthermore, Catherine and Rex are decent fighters. The third fighter is Tristan, who can be acquired from the weekly Legend Battle Pass at a discounted rate. For instance, if we look at this week's Battle Pass featuring Natasha, the cost for the first 90 fragments is approximately 22 cents per fragment. The Legend Battle Pass offers the best value and is an excellent way to unlock new heroes. We can later raise their star levels using orange versatile hero fragments, which can be obtained for free over time. Currently, we only have access to 3 orange fighters, so blending in some orange heroes from different factions is necessary. For example, we can choose Quinn and Evans to enhance our formation, as they are among the top heroes on our list. You can use purple fighter heroes such as Barnett, Liz, and Farhad if you lack sufficient orange heroes. You can replace them with orange heroes gradually to optimize your primary formation. Following these tips, you can create an optimized formation based on your resources. Alright, this is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.